Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Easy English with Lily and Jack, the podcast where English becomes your friend, not your fear. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jack. Hello, everyone. Today, Lily says we are doing magic. Real magic with words. I brought my magic hat. Sound of rustling. See?
That's a wonderful hat, Jack. But the magic we're talking about today doesn't need a hat. It's already inside your English. We're talking about the invisible magic that turns simple, short sentences into beautiful, flowing English. We're talking about connecting words.
Connecting words like glue for sentences?
Exactly like glue, or like bridges, or train carriages. Think about it, Jack. When you speak now, your ideas are like separate islands. I woke up, I brushed my teeth, I drank coffee, I went to work. 4 islands. Connecting words build bridges between them, so people can travel smoothly from one idea to the next. That's what makes you sound more fluent and natural.
Oh. So instead of my island sentences, I can make a sentence train?
A sentence train. I love that, Jack. Today, we're building your very first English sentence train. And I promise, by the end, you'll be the conductor.
Choo-choo, I am ready. But first, our important station announcement.
Yes, our regular stop. If you're finding this helpful on your English journey, please help our podcast grow. Hit subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Share it with just one friend who's also learning. And your comments are our fuel. Tell us what you think.
Yes, please. Tell us in the comments. Do you also make island sentences? We read them all.
Now, let's start our magic lesson. Jack, tell me about your morning, but only in short sentences, island style.
Okay, I woke up early. The sun was shining. I felt happy. I made a big breakfast. I ate it slowly. I was late for work.
Oh no, the last island is a sad one. You see, we have 6 little islands. Let's connect them with our first and most useful magic word, and.
And. That is not magic, Lily. That is a very normal word.
Ah, but its power is magical. And simply adds information. It says, here's another thing that is also true. Let's try. Connect your first 2 islands. I woke up early.
I woke up early, and the sun was shining. Wow, it connects.
It does. Now, let's add a third. We can use and again. I woke up early, the sun was shining, and I felt happy. See? We have a train of 3 carriages now, much smoother.
So, and is like the plus sign, sentence plus and plus sentence?
Perfect thinking. Now, and is friendly, but sometimes our ideas aren't all friendly. Sometimes we have a positive idea and a different or opposite idea. For that, we use our second magic word, but.
But. I know this. It is for problems. I wanted to go out, but it rained.
Excellent example. But shows contrast. It tells the listener the next idea is different from what you might expect. Jack, connect your happy breakfast idea with your sad late for work idea.
I made a big breakfast and ate it slowly, but I was late for work. Yes, the but makes the story. It makes it interesting.
It really does. But is the drama word. Now we have and for adding and but for contrasting. Our third magic word explains why something happened. It's the reason word, because.
Because. I use this. I was late for work because I ate a big breakfast.
You've just reversed the train, and it works perfectly. Because connects an action to its reason. The reason comes after because. Try another. Why did you feel happy this morning?
I felt happy because the sun was shining. Oh, so because answers the why question.
Exactly. Now, our fourth magic word is about results. It's the so what word, so.
So is like the opposite of because.
Very clever, Jack. Because looks back for a reason. So looks forward for a result or consequence. I ate a big breakfast slowly, so I was late for work. The first part is the cause, so introduces the effect.
Let me try. My coffee was very hot, so I waited. The hot coffee is the reason. Waiting is the result. I used so.
Beautiful. You now have the fantastic four connecting words and, but, because, so. With just these four, you can build incredible sentence trains.
Fantastic four, like superheroes for my sentences.
Yes, let's meet them properly. And, the adder. It adds more of the same kind of idea. But, the contraster. It introduces a different or surprising idea. Because, the explainer. It gives the reason why. So, the result getter. It tells us what happened next or as a result. Now, let's do a big practice. Jack, I'll give you two separate sentences. You use one of the fantastic four to connect them. Ready?
Ready. Give me the first one.
Sentence 1. I love English. Sentence 2. It is sometimes difficult.
Okay. These ideas are different. One is love, one is difficult. I need the contraster. I love English, but it is sometimes difficult.
Perfect choice. Next pair. It was raining heavily. We stayed home.
The rain is the reason we stayed. I need the explainer. We stayed home because it was raining heavily.
Or you could use the result getter. It was raining heavily, so we stayed home. Both are perfect. See how it changes the focus. Next, I studied hard for the test. I passed with a good grade.
The studying is the reason for passing. So, I passed with a good grade because I studied hard. Or, I studied hard, so I passed with a good grade. Wow, it's like a game.
It is. Now, a warning about grammar magic. When we use these words to connect two complete sentences, we often need a comma, checkers.
A comma? Where?
A simple rule. If the connecting word is in the middle, put a comma before it. Listen. I was tired, but I went to the gym. Comma before but. She was late because the bus didn't come. No comma here because is in the middle, but the part after it isn't always a full sentence on its own. For beginners, if you're saying two full ideas, use a comma before but and so.
Okay. Comma before the superhero in the middle. I will remember.
Great. Now let's build your whole morning story into one or two beautiful sentence trains using our fantastic four.
Okay. Deep breath. My island story was, I woke up early. The sun was shining. I felt happy. I made a big breakfast. I ate it slowly. I was late for work. My new story. I woke up early because the sun was shining and I felt happy. I made a big breakfast and ate it slowly, so I was late for work.
Jack, that was absolutely fantastic. You used 3 of our superheroes. You turned 6 choppy sentences into 2 smooth professional fluent English sentences. How does that feel?
It feels like magic. It sounds like the English in a book, not like my old, broken English.
It's not broken, it was just waiting for bridges. And now you have the tools to build them. Let's do a quick review of our Grammar Magic Toolkit. The fantastic 4 connecting words. And the adder for adding similar ideas. I like tea and I like coffee. But the contraster for showing a difference. I like tea, but I don't like coffee. Because the explainer for giving a reason. I drink tea because it's relaxing. So, the result getter, for showing a result. The tea was hot, so I waited.
And the comma rule, comma before the superhero in the middle.
Perfect. Now, for your homework this week, listeners, we call it the connector hunt.
Ooh, a hunt.
Yes, I want you to listen to English, maybe our next podcast, maybe a song, a TV show, just for 5 minutes, and try to catch our fantastic 4. Every time you hear and, but, because, or so, I want you to just notice it. Think, there's the explainer, or that's the contraster. This will tune your ears to the music of connected English.
And then try to use one. Just one connected sentence today. Tell us in the comments. You can write, I was hungry, so I ate an apple. We will celebrate your sentence train.
Learning is about small, consistent steps. These 4 little words are a giant step towards fluency. What would you like to learn next? Maybe the next level of connectors like although or however. Let us know.
Thank you for learning with us today. Remember, your sentences are not islands. You have the magic glue now. Be the conductor of your sentence train.
Until next time, keep connecting, keep practicing, and be proud of every bridge you build. You're doing wonderfully.
And remember, your English is getting better every single day. Goodbye.